This billion-dollar solar plant was an epic failure, Nevada project. As you can imagine, power outages are never good news, but they are even more dangerous in cities like Las Vegas that are dependent on maintaining their flash and lights for their tourism. So what is needed is a constant and secure supply of energy and electricity, which means renewables. Nevada is an obvious choice for a solar plant. Sunny days? A lot of sunny days tell more electric power gets generated, as renewable energy sources become cheaper and people invest a lot of money into solar power plants. However, that investment does not always go well, and Nevada is proof of that. Yes, you heard right. A billion-dollar solar plant project in Nevada has failed. Why? Well, just stay with us and you will find out. Welcome back to the Billion Dollar Projects channel. Our topic today is Nevada, and its epic failure is proof that some investments in modern and increasingly popular energy sources can go wrong. In a few seconds, we will start the story about this project, and before that, you just need to subscribe to our channel. If it annoys you when you miss a video, then click on the notification button and be sure you will watch every video as soon as it's online. It's time to start. Here we go. According to the American National Renewable Energy Laboratory, NREL, we need to look at renewable energy technologies from the point of view of the entire life cycle. In other words, we need to consider the overall costs and environmental impacts in the construction, installation, and decommissioning phases. In some cases, some of the solar plants don't even make it to the operational stage. An example of this is the Crescent Dunes Solar Energy Project, one of the futuristic solar plant failures of the 20th century. Developed by Solar Reserve and owned by Tonopah Solar Energy, the Crescent Dunes project is a 110-megawatt plant located near Tonopah, about 190 miles northwest of Las Vegas. Once constructed, it was supposed to power up to 75,000 homes during peak electricity periods. So how did this solar power plant work? The project includes 10,347 heliostats that collect and focus the sun's thermal energy to heat molten salt flowing through an approximately 656-foot-tall solar power tower. Each heliostat is made up of 35 6x6, 1.8-meter mirror facets, yielding a heliostat overall usable area of 1,245 square feet. The total solar field aperture adds up to 12,882,155 square feet. The molten salt circulates from the tower to a storage tank, where it is then used to produce steam and generate electricity. Excess thermal energy is stored in the molten salt and could be used to generate power for up to 10 hours, including during the evening hours and when direct sunlight is not available. The storage technology thus eliminated the need for any backup fossil fuels, such as natural gas. Melting around 70 million pounds of salt took 2 months. Once melted, the salt stays melted for the life of the plant and is cycled through the receiver for reheating. This mode of operation of the solar plant in Nevada looks great. So what was the problem, and why did the project fail? The Crescent Dunes problem was simple. Although its average monthly production exceeds 40,000 megawatt-hours on paper, in reality, it never reached that value, and only exceeded half of it during 9 months. The closest it came was in September 2018, when it produces 31,500 megawatt-hours. Then, in April 2019, the plant got shut down because the project's sole buyer, NV Energy, terminated the power purchase agreement for failure to produce the contracted power. Besides that, the plant suffered malfunctions in its beginning. It began operations in September 2015, but went offline in October 2016 due to a leak in the molten salt tank. It returned to process in July 2017. Unfortunately, it still failed to recover and achieve the production of the predicted amount of electricity, so it declared bankruptcy in 2019. What a shame, right? Projects like this are the future, and more countries around the world will turn to this source of energy. It's a shame that Nevada didn't manage to persevere in this project. Maybe in the future, by some miracle, it will solve the problem and restore this solar plant. You never know, everything is possible. Well, we've talked enough, now it's your turn. We look forward to your comments written in the section below. Don't be shy. If you haven't yet, then turn on the notification and drop a like. For more content like this one, subscribe to our channel now. We are glad that we are together, and thank you for watching the video to the end. Have a lovely day and see you soon.